But this time, officially, you're a candidate. Ano pang masasabi natin sa how do you feel?
How do I feel right now? There's a lot of work that needs to be done. The good thing about the election is that the people are given the choice to choose who they want to lead their area. So kami, as candidates, we present our platform to the people. And pag magustuhan nila, they have the freedom to choose.
You had a rough time nung unang elections. How did you fare this time? How did you prepare for this?
Ganun talaga elections eh. Yung kalaban mo will always find a way to disqualify you. Mas nagkaroon sila ng sakit ng ulo dahil kung pinabayaan nila ako mag-congressman lang yung paglalabanan namin yun. Gusto nila si maging congresswoman, so may kalaban pa sila sa niyo. Dalawa na yung laban nila.
How does it feel that you're officially a candidate for the 2013 elections?
Well, not yet. I haven't filed my COC yet. We will find out come December 31st.
Really?
Maging official lang lahat ng candidates after December 31.
Okay.
Pag nasa listahan na lahat ng pangalan.
Ito ang pinakamahabang elections sa buong kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, there are pros and cons. The pros there, early on, alam mo na kagad kung sino yung mga kalaban mo for the position that you're aspiring. Ang cons no, malaki yung gastos mo kasi ang haba ng preparation period, dadaan pa yung Pasko, dadaan pa yung birthday mo. Unlike before, you only have 45 days. Ngayon, you have 5 months or 6 months.
So, ano masasabi natin sa voters, no? Nagbago kasi yung dynamics natin dahil 7 months ito eh. Dati binibili mo lang dahil nagmamadali ka, no? Things have changed.
At least now, you have the time to move around. You have the time to show them your platform, and they have a lot of time to scrutiny their candidate. And siguro dahil sa information technology and saka dahil sa television, mas matalino na yung mga voters natin. Nakikita nila kung number one, kung ano yung personality ng candidate, ano yung achievements ng candidates, what they've done in their past. So, mas madali na lang mas-scrutiny yung mga kandidato nila.
Can you say na mas handa ka this time around?
I'm always prepared sa mga adventures na ginagawa ko.
Okay, maraming salamat, Richard. Good luck.
Thank you. All the best.
Good luck.
Thank you.